Hi guys, in today's episode we're going to work on the CVs. We're going to try and figure out how we're going to join them together, and hopefully that'll mean that we can get them in and get the car moving on its own power. So let's get to it, eh? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Basically, in this video, we're going to try and get this motor running. Got a few more things to do. As you can see, I've been working on some headers. Got them all tacked up and welded. I've got to build a collector, which we will get to now. But then, other than that, we'll walk over here. We're getting very close. So the motor's starting to look a bit better. We've just got to put the radiator in, hook up the water system, and then we might be able to see if she'll fire. But I might remember some stuff that needs to be done as well, so we'll see how we go. But let's get to it, eh? Came up really good. I'm just going to clean off these welds, give it a bit of a clean up, but other than that, it's looking pretty good. It's reasonably flat. I'll chuck it on the belt sander, but yeah, we'll get the cleaning up and then put it on. So we're getting closer. Put the radiator in. We'll fill it with water. Also found we have a pretty big water leak. Okay, so we've got that's actually an old Syrian shaft. Here we go. So this is one of the shafts that we had in the move. It's not actually an original. I'm pretty sure it was out of a Mazda of some sort, but it was the exact same anyway. This is the end off of it here. This one here, this nice greasy mess. But basically, the situation that we have is to fit the EJ box. I'll just run over here. To fit this EJ box into the move, we have to change the lengths of the CVs because they don't fit in through that. Well, they fit, but they're not long enough. Well, one's not long enough, one's not short enough. So getting custom shafts is pretty difficult, so we're going to just try and make some. So the plan is, also we've got different outers CV joints to fit the move spline, but then we need the Syrian inner. So the plan is, cut this there, cut that there, join that on, so that we have a Syrian inner spline and a move outer spline, and a bit longer and a bit shorter, depending on which ones. So we'll start with the shorter one, which I believe needs to be 25 mil shorter, 25 to 30 mil shorter. You've got a bit of play in these slots, so we'll double check on that now, and guess it's time to cut. Okay, so first one to cut. I totally forgot to video cutting, but luckily we have another one to do, so I'll video that. It's not very exciting, it's just a whole lot of sparks and this wheel wearing down really quick. But yeah, so we have two CVs cut. Hopefully they cut in the right place. If not, that's a problem for them. Alrighty, so I have ground up these. So basically what I've done is I've just put a bevel on both of these sections that we're joining. The reason you want to do that is if you just had it like a square butt, so flat faces together, you'd only get probably 2 to 3 millimeters of penetration at most, which means that you would still have probably a decent amount inside that seam that is not fused together, which would make it very weak. So by doing this, you're allowing full penetration all the way through, and you're getting the full desired throat thickness of this whole rod. So the strongest that you get it. So I've finished drawing that prep up. So now I'm just gonna get some angle iron and we'll shim it all up, and then should be able to weld it. Okay, so this is the setup that we've come up with to weld the CV. starting to weld. Alrighty guys, so next day, the good news is I was running around, found some steel and got these machined. So what these are for is they're a sleeve which will slide over the CV just like this one I happen to have ready. So this CV's already been welded. Slide this off. Oh, let me hold up. Okay. So yep, all welded up. Yeah, it's not super flash. And basically what this happens is it slides over that sleeve. We're going to weld a bead just in there, all the way around, all the way around. And that's just to give it a bit of added strength. And then you can put the end back on the CV and it's ready to go.